Watch Nadine Lustre, Lenny Robredo, and Leila de Lima team up for the viral anxiety dance challenge here. Actress Nadine Lustre, former Vice President Lenny Robredo, and former Senator Leila de Lima have created a buzz on social media after taking part in the viral anxiety dance challenge. Their unexpected but lively collaboration quickly captured the attention of netizens, racking up thousands of reactions and shares online. The dance video, posted on Robredo's official Facebook page on Monday, March 17, showed the three personalities confidently showing off their moves. Robredo and de Lima took a break from their usual political activities to join Lustre in the trending challenge. Their energy and chemistry in the video left fans and supporters pleasantly surprised. The dance session took place during a community walk for the party list group Mamamayang Liberal, ML, in Naga City, Camarines Sur. De Lima, the first nominee of the party list, was joined by Robredo and Lustre to engage with local supporters in preparation for the May 2025 midterm elections. Both Robredo and Lustre have thrown their support behind de Lima's campaign, underscoring their confidence in her leadership. In the caption of the viral post, Robredo expressed her gratitude to Lustre for directing the dance. "Salamat sa pagdirect, Nadine Lustre. Nag-enjoy kami ni first nominee, Leila de Lima," Robredo wrote. The post has since garnered over 220,000 reactions and more than 23,000 shares, reflecting the public's positive reception to their lighthearted yet meaningful collaboration. Lustre's endorsement of the ML party list was first revealed in February, when she voiced her trust in de Lima's ability to fight for justice and accountability. In a previous video, Lustre called on Filipinos to hold public officials accountable and demand transparency from those in power. Real talk. Sawa na ba kayo? Sawa na sa mga abusado sa kapangyarihan? Sa mga nasa pwesto na hindi marunong magpaliwanag kung saan napunta ang pera ng bayan? At yung drama, okay lang sa pelikula at TV. Pero pag sa gobyerno na, ibang usapan na yan. Nakakapagod. Pero, may laban tayo, Lustre declared in her endorsement. The dance video not only showcased their fun side but also highlighted their shared advocacy for good governance and accountability, earning praise from both political and entertainment circles.